Hey everybody, welcome to Mavin Forge. I'm Mavin, doing my weekend welding instruction video. What I've got here are some M548 ammo cans that I'm going to turn into saddlebags for my 07 Harley Fatboy, which I am renting out, getting Mavin racing going. So my first bike to have rented out is my Harley, and I'll do a video of it later. And then I've got two cafe racers that I'm making. So for the welding instruction, we have here some thick hinges that I've cut the holes off of and removed the nickel plating because that makes for a funky weld. We have two different kinds of metals here, two different thicknesses. So you have to treat it differently than you would if you knew exactly what you had. Same thicknesses and same composition. So to do this, focus on the fat side first. You get it melting, and you just kind of wiggle a little bit into the small stuff, focusing most of the heat that is generated into the thicker material. And as that happens, it will like slough off or avalanche off into the thinner stuff, and you weave as you work your way down. And that will create a nice even weld all the way across without burning any holes in the thinner stuff, and it'll give good penetration through the whole weld. So I've already prepped these. I'll try to get some video of the actual welding process, but that's what I'm going to do. So let's have some fun. So that actually went really well. I had to stop so I could move the camera because my torch was hitting my phone. But that is an autogenous weld. Autogenous means that you're not using filler, you're using the parent metal as your filler metal. And so I was able to melt this and have it just flow down into the thinner stuff, and you just weave it and massage it down into it. It's good stuff. Now that there is sexy. Gotta love it when it works the way it's supposed to and everything lines up. Hey, yeah. You know, not every day is a good welding day. Sometimes it just doesn't work. But today is a sexy welding day. Look at these things. Look at these guys. Damn.